Make crypto simple. Finally, a crypto trading platform you can actually understand. Start buying and selling crypto with CoinSmart. Designed for beginners and built for experts. We have you all covered. Our mission is to make cryptocurrency accessible to everyone. CoinSmart is the easiest to use cryptocurrency trading platform. Buy and sell Bitcoin and other digital currencies quickly and easily on desktop and mobile. Buy and sell Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Cardano, Stellar and more with CoinSmart. We are constantly adding digital currencies to our platform. Other cryptocurrencies. Create an account and get verified in minutes. Access your funds the same day you make a deposit. No more pairing and tethering needed. Once you get verified, you can start buying and selling your digital currencies. You spoke and we heard you. At CoinSmart, we've eliminated long wait times for deposits, withdrawals and account verification. Our Smart Guarantee. 1. All deposits are in your account the same day we receive them. 2. All fiat withdrawals are processed within 5 business days. 3. All accounts are verified the same day, usually instantly. Ready to start buying and selling cryptocurrencies. Here are just some of the reasons why customers love CoinSmart. Smart trade. Forget about trading pairs. With one click you can trade from one altcoin to another, without having to trade to Bitcoin or Ethereum first. Industry-leading security. Have peace of mind that your coins are safe and secure. CoinSmart utilizes the top custody providers on the planet by leveraging the power of BitGo and Fireblocks. Cold storage. Yep. Safe and secure verifications. You got it. 2FA. Of course. Be confident with CoinSmart. Advanced trading tools. Are you a crypto genius? We have all the bells and whistles of a truly advanced trading platform. Experienced traders can use limit orders, stop loss and real-time charting. Trust and accountability. Nothing is more important when buying and selling crypto than trusting your provider. CoinSmart has all the appropriate licensing and registrations required in each jurisdiction we operate in. Customers trust CoinSmart. Made with heart in Canada. We are proud to be built in Canada. Now with our multiple licenses, we're open for business in new markets. 3-pronged approach. Agile. Effective. Comprehensive. CoinSmart provides a 3-pronged approach to customer support to help answer all your questions. Live support. You can connect with a smart rep via live chat every day from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Smarty. When our agents are taking a short breather, we'll have Smarty, our industry-leading AI chatbot, waiting to help you. FAQ. Our team worked really hard to build a comprehensive knowledge base so you don't have to wait in line to find answers to most of your queries. With CoinSmart you're a person, not a number. Now that's customer service and why we can boast a 97% customer satisfaction rate. Be smart. Accept Bitcoin. Payments and access your cash instantly with SmartPay Auto Sell. SmartPay is the easiest way to accept crypto payments. Instantly convert your BTC to fiat with same-day payouts wired to your bank account. Get guaranteed exchange rates and low transaction fees without the risk of chargebacks or price volatility. SmartPay makes it quick and easy to accept crypto. All you need to do is create an account, invoice your customer and the customer pays. With crypto. Simple. Your crypto is auto-sold. on receipt and funds are wired to your bank account right away. Want to hold? SmartPay allows you to do that too. Our roots started growing in Canada, and as true Canadians, we're thrilled to bring our incredible trading platform to more countries. We are more than just a retail crypto trading platform. Check out all we have to offer at CoinSmart. CS Premium. Great customer service and advice. Extremely satisfied with my deposit and the level of customer service I received. Nice to talk to a real person for my questions. Crypto in the palm of your hand. Access your account. Download the best crypto trading app today and see how easy it is to buy and sell Bitcoin and many other coins through our mobile app.